after a quick announcement of the winners and the closing thing, we still have the session open for half an hour. If someone wants to ask any question from the speakers of the session, two of them are still here. Dr. Tonelli and Dr. Bochnita are still here. You can ask them, or you can have any other informal conversation as well. So let me share my screen, some slides. First of all, this is the last part of the event for this year. It's sad that it is going to finish. A lot of educational talks and also some activities such as the poster competition. We had a lot of fun there, but we are going to come back. Previous year and then this year we came back, hopefully 2026 and the years after that, so look forward to that. Before going for the announcements of the winners and stuff, let me remind you that when you go to the homepage of the event, the gallery part right now is a placeholder. We want a group photo. We will send you an email in a few days. If you want to be part of the group photo, send us a photo with your face in it in reply to that email, and we create an artificial group photo. Again, I emphasize, without the AI apps, it's a human design. And we will put the recorded version of the talks if you were not lucky to catch them, because we had participants from both east and west of the world. Then we had the morning, noon, afternoon in UK, but some of them were midnight at some other places. The recorded videos will be available, so keep an eye in a few days. And if you want your question to be removed from the question answer part of the talks, send us email in these 2-3 days before we finalize the edited version of the videos. We will cut them out. So now I know that plenty of, I mean, not plenty, there are 4 candidates, their hearts are beating hard to hear who is the winner and how many winners we have. So let's start with the numbers. Previous year we had 1 winner for the poster competition. This year, the Wolfram company was kind enough to be a sponsor. The number of awards is increased to 3. So we have 3. In my opinion, all 4 students were brave and were good. It was a tight competition. All of them are winners. And I have to emphasize that the greatest prize that you can receive for your work is the feedback, questions, comments that you received, the questions at the oral presentation part, or the written feedback that the judges gave you. Those are the real prizes, because those will help you to improve your research, your work, and also your skills for oral presentation or creating a poster graphical representation of your work. So that's the real prize. But we still had to choose only 3 because the number of poster awards was 3. Every judge had his own opinion. It was very hard to come with agreement, but in the end, we somehow managed it out. There are 3 winners, but just to increase the excitement and stress of the poor candidates, let's go slowly. So who do you guess is the first winner? I'm not going to wait and hear your answers. Have it in your mind, and I'm going to press the next page. It's Michael Ajo-Olarinoye for the poster on the physics-informed neural network and its application in aorta and the medical things. So congratulations, you got the first place.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you to the judges.
Now going for the second person. Who do you guess? Keep it in your mind. I'm not waiting for you. Is Mariam Javed. She was brave to put her poster in a little bit different, maybe environment with more math and computer science people. Great thing about her that I really like was that she used the comments, the written comments that she received from the judges, and edited her poster accordingly. And it was not just a change of some sign or something. It was really related to the comments. That's really good. I encourage everyone to learn that when you receive a comment, reflect on that. That's great. So congratulations to Mariam Javed. If you want to say one sentence, two sentences like Mikhail, you can unmute yourself, say, I'm going to move to the next one otherwise. Anything? No? Okay, so who do you think is the third winner? Have the name in your mind. I'm going to press next. Faizan Ahmed for the work on reinforcement learning and parallel parking. Congratulations. So you will receive an email from us with the instruction and the prize. I'm keeping it a bit a surprise. We are going to get a little negotiations. Let's see if we can increase. But it will be announced on the website of events too. So let's keep it surprise and then make it public. Now, this year we have also an addition to the winner thing. It's not only for the poster winners. We want to somehow push our students to be more active, more brave. That's very important. I always emphasize on it, but not many students listen to that. So we have some awards for active students, and there are 4 of them. So Saeed Qurbani and Mashal Nagin were the 2 students who had the highest and largest number of questions from the speakers or other places. I think if you have participated in the conference, you agree with that. So they are active, and I want other people also, other students become like that, asking a lot of questions. So we have to give them some reward. And Mashal Nagin and Jonah also were in the moderation. They put time to look at the names, admit them in. So that's also activity. And Zirak Ajmal Kakar was also a poster presenter. He was brave to put his work. Even he said that it was in the early stage, but he was brave to put it for the feedback. So we have 3 poster winners that the rewards come from Mathematica, Wolfram Company, and 4 active students with different rewards that will come from the future algorithm itself. We keep the rewards and the amounts as a surprise for a few days. When they receive it and they open the envelope and they got hopefully happy, we make it public on the websites too. So that's from that, but don't forget
$1 million do.
$1 million. I'm afraid I cannot make that. But you still remember that it's not all the awards. There is still one prize open to everyone to catch it. The third speaker of today morning UK time, Dr. Shahruz Jambaz announced a problem. There is a QR code and a link that you can go there. If you think you have a solution, you can write to him directly via his email. And let's see if the $20 prize will be received by one of the participants of Future Algorithms and not from outside. So that's from all the awards. But before ending the session, I have to acknowledge everyone that was involved. Without them, this event wouldn't be happening. First, I will thank Dr. Alexander Yosef, my co-organizer. If he was not there, I would be left alone-handed. And you can imagine how much stress would be managing everyone and everything. So thank you, Dr. Alexander Yosef. We had 5 program committee members who were putting their time looking at the posters, writing written feedback, and also some of them participated in the oral presentation. Dr. Taher Sayed, Dr. Ratinam Bunklar, Dr. Behnam Khosravi, Dr. Reza Kahkashani, Dr. Tereso Del Rio. Thank you, all of the judges, if you are here, or if not, you can watch the recorded version, for your time. We had great speakers, and I cannot emphasize enough that a conference with no speaker is like an empty set, as the mathematicians say. So we had the chance and opportunity to have a great speaker, Noah Fallenstein from game industry, with very inspiring articles and talks. He gave a nice presentation. We had Dr. Christopher Rakakos from MIT and Julia programming language with future of future algorithms in his presentation. I recommend that you watch the recorded version if you missed it. We had Professor Hong Duong. We had Dr. Chachaban Panraksad, Dr. Shahruz Jambaz, Dr. Amir Hashemi, Dr. Mohsen Rezapur, Dr. Jose Tonelli Kuete, Dr. Mohsen Rezapur, I think I said twice, I don't know. Dr. Mohammad Asif Farouk, Dr. Anas Boshnita, and Dr. Avishek Pal Majumdar. Thank you all for your talks. Not only the students, but also others learned a lot. I took notes. I encourage the students to take notes when they participate the talks. Even the recorded version will be available later. It won't be the same as the notes that you take at the time. And if you have a question you didn't ask in person online, you still can contact the speakers by email. Always any academic is open to receive some question from interested student. And also I should thank Wolfram Company to be kind enough to sponsor this year of our event. They gave a tutorial yesterday with presenting all the machine learning, LLM, and all new technology that is there and the students can use. And they also provided awards for 3 winners of the poster competition. And last but not least, the participants. The conference with speakers only can happen, but future algorithms with speakers only without participants is not going to achieve the goal that I mentioned in the intro. So our goal is to inspire the students to become future Khwarizmis. If they don't participate, the message will not transfer. So thank you for coming, and I hope that you learned new things and you become famous big people creating new trendy algorithms that are creating the future of us. And I hope to see you again in Future Algorithms 2026 and the years after that. So keep in touch, look at your emails, not only for the group photo, but hopefully for invitation to the next year. So that's everything from my side. And now is open for everyone to talk. I will stop recording.